Cardboard composting is often celebrated in the gardening world for being both eco-friendly and incredibly effective. It's praised for its ability to suppress weeds, retain moisture, and add organic matter to your soil. But while it seems like the perfect no-waste solution, there's a hidden danger many gardeners overlook: termites. That's right. If you're not composting cardboard the right way, you could be creating a buffet for termites, putting your garden and even your home at risk. I discovered this the hard way. Like many gardeners, I was thrilled to find that cardboard could help build up my compost and provide structure to my no-dig beds. I tore up old boxes, flattened them out, and laid them directly onto the soil before piling mulch and compost on top. For weeks, everything looked perfect. My garden soil was rich and dark, the weeds were gone, and the moisture retention had improved dramatically. But then I started noticing signs: tiny tunnels in the soil, chewed leaves, and most alarmingly, winged termites near my garden beds. That's when I realized my cardboard composting technique was flawed. The truth is, termites are naturally attracted to cellulose, which is found in wood, paper, and yes, cardboard. And when you layer untreated cardboard directly onto the soil without proper preparation, you're giving them exactly what they want: dark, damp, undisturbed material that serves as both food and shelter. Especially in warm, humid climates or during the rainy season, this mistake can lead to full-blown termite infestations faster than you think. But before you panic or give up on cardboard entirely, let me reassure you. There's a right way to compost cardboard that's completely safe and still incredibly beneficial for your garden. You don't have to throw out your Amazon boxes or abandon your no-dig dreams. You just need to take a few extra steps to keep your garden and your home termite-free. So first off, always remove any tape, glue, and glossy finishes from your cardboard. These synthetic materials not only slow down the composting process, but they also create uneven decay, leaving some parts damp longer than others, which termites just love. Stick to plain brown corrugated cardboard whenever possible. It's biodegradable, non-toxic, and breaks down efficiently under the right conditions. Next, pre-soak or lightly moisten your cardboard, but don't let it become soggy. A damp but not dripping sheet of cardboard is perfect. It softens the material so it breaks down faster, without creating the damp, stagnant environment termites thrive in. Then, shred the cardboard into smaller pieces, rather than laying down large, intact sheets. Shredding increases airflow and speeds up decomposition, which, minimizes the time the cardboard remains attractive to pests. One of the biggest mistakes gardeners make is using cardboard as mulch directly against structures or raised beds made of wood. This creates a direct line from your garden to your home or shed, essentially inviting termites to explore beyond the compost pile. To avoid this, always leave at least 12 to 18 inches of clear space between your cardboard mulch and any buildings or wooden frames. It's a simple spacing rule that can really make all the difference. Another tip is to balance your carbon to nitrogen ratio in the compost pile. Cardboard is a carbon-rich material, so pair it with green, nitrogen-rich items like grass clippings, kitchen scraps, and coffee grounds. A well-balanced compost pile will heat up properly and break down faster, creating an environment that's too hot and active for termites to enjoy. Lastly, consider introducing natural termite repellents into your compost or garden. Plants like mint, garlic, and marigold are known to deter termites. You can also sprinkle neem cake or diatomaceous earth into the lower layers of your compost to make the environment even less welcoming for unwanted insects. So, what started out as a simple, eco-conscious gardening practice turned into an important learning moment. Cardboard can absolutely be part of your composting and soil building strategy, but like all natural methods, it requires understanding and a little bit of care. Since making these changes in my own garden, I haven't seen a single termite. My compost breaks down beautifully, my garden beds are thriving, and I've got peace of mind knowing that I'm nourishing my soil without inviting trouble. If you've been using cardboard in your garden or thinking about trying it, don't let the fear of termites stop you. But don't skip these critical steps either. Composting is about harmony, balancing decay and life, materials and microbes. And when done right, even something as simple as an old cardboard box can become powerful, pest-free garden gold.